Ayo, it's your boy TK, your host TK. Today I have a multi-talented person known as Vicente. Like I've been knowing him for a while. So today I asked an interview na and then dawa kaitwa emaila now MC Jayena, business rayena, kuwa a radio presenter, like he can even dance. Say Mr. Mavijo.
Yeah. Yeah, go and nigga, what one near Niganta Palace. Yeah. Yeah, no, sharp and that.
Okay. I'm going to call him away from Cantona talents away found by all like it is a talent away and around like Jilan for sure like with MC Joy.
Okay. Magab MC, I've been doing it for a very long time, but then Kuringava a talent. And you see someone notice because at the church in Karotala, Aukumala Shokumagura, Vazavana Umbala, Pisuti, Paloma Karaden, Karakon, not the Sutladon, the Latin Yokato Atima. Aukumagur no, Bagbai, Vitana Yama Kerekani, Kulish Kerekani, some of Vitana Labakur no, Fambisanya Nanti, Twanga Wood, but then. I will build that one, yes. Sure. So then, Lokona Kula Vele, Nivaka entertainment go. So Lonvaka entertainment, how about I take this talent, Nijisaka Shati, Chatu, the party, that's when.
Like entertainment, Ubla Masai,
okay, Blabla Masai, Yofana, na comedy, Nivemundo in Gakula, and then comedy, let me take you back a little bit. Comedy started while I was schooling. Anitale Kurninge, Nakaika, class Tamadum, Lata, tourism, and Velem Kulem Kamas, that's good. Kumetenam Kulavo. So, Akmagurla, Anima, Domunsa, say, I catching Gelana and Karat, yeah, Jonah shop and do Yunga fish mango. Sure. We are chinging up line. Same. Lokon canching a month, Kuman canching up line. So not bad boy in the other say, Kawan. Sure. Session down the Jelago. No, it means Naminan comedian. Look and Garilla, you understand stand up comedy. Sure. So then he couldn't get Ningavianti Saitra entertainment. Yeah, so Losen Fambisa. I remember my first gig, Yabu MC. I could party like I June, Alens, I could party one sister. Then no Combelana opportunity. Then one fagaka post. Yes, 7 fagalaga posted. Or no, again. So no gananti jam kela Sinandika. Bataka so I know when you clam chat to me, that's how it started. Yeah, okay.
So then look back family MC Alvin Evan Lava Pavanga go on by Scottel.
Okay, look now Sungula. Sure. Actually the way because I know true because Sungul. So then we have to say Shwashakumina. I'm very different in my own way. When she says very past I guess.
Sure.
She told me that machine no. You are a spice of your own.
Oh,
yeah.
Sure.
She go out Benny.
I'll 6 gun.
I'll 6 gun. Sure. I'll rob spice. You are a spice of your own. Yeah, let's show. Locomun Chelanyaman, what she talk about. Shambanin, yeah. So
I'm what just kissing and the
song. So, Nivet the way I would be a comedian there. Yaku, Niven Delami. Yeah, and Nizamangu fake Amunwan. Sure. Amunang and inspire Kakuani Vashabu MC.
And I love Malanga inspire because Munumaya for Kotok Aumela, Autung Mission, Kotok talent. I inspire Munumaya. I don't talk Malanga inspire Sunabo Kevin Harty.
Sure.
But then one of the comedian, not like Karala. So, Zanok was Malanga.
So, yeah, Loconola Nikukuna inspire Ningane. Kuna inspiration, kuna encouragement.
Sure.
Yeah, but ko wala bang encourage ala bangan sosotela kuri. No, you can go on.
Yeah, much.
Yes. Often about Trevor, no, yeah. anga inspire ngona this guy wo fana mina lo no hluvula xidloko mtaswonya ka very Steve Harvey Steve Harvey isho xingani inspire because she real dama kuna kuri u bati jokes kuba u ti hleketa kunene kumbe u ti create
va ti tsale hansi
wa kumbe ti tsale hansi se kuna ku wo fika u nghena ntlangwini u sungula khoma va ku vulavula swin'wana na swin'wana u vo munhu a ri na nhloko ya manga la
wa
nhloko ya manga ya se swi ka tsakisa ndlela leyo so that's how ni leswi va ku that's why ani bangi na ku ni ve na ku chuwa masunguleni but then nkarhi u kha vuya a ni ya nkha ntolovela tsenela ni
sa ku na va a nga ri na vanhu lava va discourage va ku na tshika kunene a swi ku faneli wena famba exikolweni ya dyondza kusukela swa MC
swa ndla umaka va ri kona mara va nga ndzi byeli
va nga byeli vo tshama na swona
va tshama na swona va fela byobyeni leswi swi vulaka hi xichangani so mara then hi xitalo me family ya me I family yo encourage mina leswa swo va ku loko u heta grade 9 va ku langa ti course ni ku langa tourism ya madomu ku holwa nga ni discourage aka va ku ano and the beka hina matichara manese ku matichara na mananese
akwawo tlu travel
se ku va la swo va ku hayi no u nga langi sweswo and the pema ani a ti pfuka nyana xikolweni a swi nga fiti no ni nga yi dyondza hello a va la ku ni endla swa accounting ku ri ni fana na vaboti ku va kota ku ri va ri matichara already ku ri va kota ku ri va ni dyondzisa va ni tsaleta assignment so then va vuye va ni hlohlotela I family yo hlohlotela ku ri what you do hi leswi va ku support ka xona so a va ni discourage a ku va na munhu a nga ni discourage ka family hinkwavo a va ni encourage ku ri no because a ni na le kaya ni va hlekisa a ku makaya vhele ni va hlekisa kha hi vulavula va swi twa ku na tsakisa sometimes a fika ni cinacina va tsaka la sitting room so then ni kule ni ri munhu wa the way and entertain
so okay Mr. Presenter a radio presenter from GCR 106 FM ka minongonoko ya jazz
okay right nkarhi famba kahle la 12 minutes bila wa rena ro xitichi giyang community radio okay at makata radio ne na ku tisungula lexi hlamarisa ku vanhu vo tala ani na lembe ni khanda swa radio mina ni na 25 years se ka 25 years la 24 years hinkwayo a ni nga hleketi na ku ni nga tshuka ni haxina ni nga swi naveli so but then there's this guy Pastor Don from Skwinyani misa loyi I munhu loyi a nga ni inspire ka radio a mandla la swa haxa ni sendela ti video ni twa swi nandzikela man
swi ku thonta na wena
se mara TK ku ri mina ni nga hela ni ve presenter a ni hlekeli wa vona
a wo huwa
ni ka no ni hungasa swa dama ni swa tsakisa kuma kha xi hunguta volume okay no ne la sena mina swi ringeta nguma swa andla
swo pfumela
swi ri munhu u nyikiwini musayi ni hamba ni ni hamba se ni ta sweswo ni pfulela volume ni kuma swa ende mngani so then ni zama ku lwela ni senda ti videos sending them tela ti trenda nyana la ni ngela seni kuma opportunity ka GCR
se mngana se leswi nga a radio presenter loko mi teka ku veka ka nanta ka munghana ra leswi swi nga na I dreaming one leyi u lava ku tikuma
yes it's another dream leyi yi lava ku achieve munhu n'wana yes so ni nga yi kota yin'wana radio yin'wana because lexi na xi discover I've learned a lot ka GCR FM
sure
so meaning any radio station ni nga fita mi va ya xilungu
ni nga xipa
okay right no mara ni nga yi zama because loko no va ni kha ni haxa nongonoko wa jazz sometimes na va ni kha ni profile ti artist because ku na ku loko u profile artist u ta ku Ramapolo Masikela he was a producer a composer yes so a symbol nga swi vula hi changani ku composer ari composer so kuma vona va nga ti banya hi xilungu nyana practice xilungu la
se hi mngani leswi nga radio presenter u fambisa nongonoko wa jazz ka jazz i munhu loyi u rhandzaka an artist leyi i rhandzaka
Huma Sikela the legendary Huma Sikela ni nga no ka ni nga tivi if na album tin'wana a nga hela a nga ti produce mara ka album leti a nga producer hinkwato ni tiva hinkwato ni tiva na ti lyrics ta to hinkwato yes hambi ti nga ri ta tindzimi ta laha ni tiva hinkwato.
Okay. That's why you are a multi-talented person that I know.
Yeah.
Okay. So I found video chips hapa.
Yeah. Okay. As you can see, ne. I'm a hustler. Yeah. Lexi nga xi vulaka mo I ku ni hustler.
Sure.
Yes. Another talent leyi nga tumbelela vanhu vo tala yi tiva ku ngopfu hi vanhu lava va ku ni kha ni tikuma ni ri na vudyelwana na vona. I talent ya vu chef.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm a very professional.
No, I'm sure no vekela mapoto sweswa.
Ni nga basa ngozi mo. Yeah, ni nga basa ngozi. I'm a professional self-taught chef.
Sure.
Yeah, I taught myself. I'm not doing this because men kuleka ndyangu wa ku va khandi swekela yes from a very early age. Yeah, loko mani va hi kurise hi va hi kha hi ri vanhu lava hi tirhaka hi sweka yes ma ho cincana namuntlha ku sweka mindzu ku sweka loyi sweswi ya yena
namuntlha ku va ku i siku ra wena ku i van'wansati i tshama mapoto to ri
sure hence you know ku ri ka hina hi majita ntsena wa vona swi tshama ku va na cheri so swi ndla munhu a va kha okay so let's go back to my video chips yes
sure
my video nickname ya mina vito i Vincent. Yeah, my original name is Vincent. Thank you.
Sure.
Yeah, my original name is Vincent. Yeah, so
before I'm not free. One I was that chips.
Yeah,
the chips star video.
Yeah,
video. That chips up. Continue.
Okay, no. Sure. So as you can see, the Bama chips market. So it shows for there's a difference. Kuna the chips, kuna ma chips. So my chips, smell ringi na bensto. Sure, let it chips.
Chips,
yeah,
let it crisp.
Sure, got it fries.
The fries.
The fries.
Oh, damn, but the chips. Kuna chips, kuna the fries.
Chips, kuna the fries.
Okay.
Yeah, so let it fries.
Sure.
Yeah, so it clearly shows for it's a talent. Because I let it fun now. Sure, what one of the plate in Marathi at the solid decrease. Yeah, decrease. So,
my secret recipe
yeah, no, that's secret recipe. I mean, I'm not problem. What's Sanyama chilling? Yeah, franchise. Yeah, and guys, mind you, this guy, so now you know, enter my chips the same way. We don't want juta jute. Right now, enter my chips the same way. The same secret, Langa Kumako. I resume when I kumeko. So on juta juta.
A business in that business are the chips.
Yeah, chips.
At the business around chips, hotel, after hotel, out more funnels are fully, and then Zahonica, more family, Donna of Angate industry, Yanamashina, Joanna, Yanamashina, radio president Joel. So now chips let on and Ziga let from Sakunamara.
Yeah. Okay. Mind you, Zenga restaurant in one Gatakan guy. Selaga restaurant liya abantu ngaboni punti sabante kan beka section ya machisi ka sabon tari yeah mind you wa stiva swinwe le yeah swinwe mga akuri a big restaurant mara la ina itirela kwa kuri mobile
sure
so aku sha swati huku to grill flame grilled chicken sure so abateka la bangwa ba beka ka section ya mali no venga section ya
kanyao so what can chips ka
le hansi ta ko le
barwala una rin'wana masiku
bon crew ma yeah so loko kan bama chips mala abantu dyondzise receipt mala ba endlela mi va ka ehansi ndzi swola va dyondzisa maendlelo va lola unda tiva crisp ti fanele ti va so
sure
and then ni yingisela so loko ni kha ni endla hi ndlela liya kuma ku nghena mali yo tala ya ma-chips ku tlula
ya nyama.
So then ku vuya ku pfaliwa swa nyama yi nga ha xavisiwa ma-chips ntsena ya ende phela hikwalaho kusuhi ne le kaya wa vona se ni vhele ku no swi vhe swi ni hlohloteka kahle ni to hi vona va nga ni hlohlotela mara vona a va nga ni hlohloteli a vo ni tirhisa a byela ku ni fundisa va ka hava no a tirhi hala hansi hala but then vo va nga ni hlohlotela ku ri ni vuya ni ti byela ku no if I'm able to make this such money wa vona sure ni ri la ka area leyi ya hala kaya it means ni nga swi kota ku ri laha kaya laha ni dzima mkhukhu ni endla same business ya ma-chips yes so because business leyi vuye yiwa and then ni kota ku ri ni pfula ya mi business
okay se ye munghana nanguti from MC to a radio presenter from radio presenter to be a businessman
yeah
se munghana ni byela lo munhu a lava ti-chips kumbe loko munhu a lava for ku ta fambisa ntirho ka mucato ti-party any event va nga kuma njhani so
yeah okay ka ti-events na kume futhi ni tele ngopfu ka ti-events a ni na manejara ni se va na manejara meaning swa ha ri simple na swilo swa ha ri cheap because a ni handla ku hakela munhu yeah so na ha ri cheap yeah you can manage me it's fine
sure
ni kumeka ngo ka riqingho kumbe WhatsApp antiku nga la ku ni yi hlaya na 0835412014 0835412014 0835412014 i number leyi ni kumeka ka yona leyo munhu o ni fonela ni byela ku ri ni lava u va MC ni bukiwa ka ha ri nkarhi because tanihileswi na ha vulavulaka sweswi ne hikoka ni a yi recordiwi live then ni ya ka ti-events to tala ngopfu ya ku na event mundzuku ku na event Saturday
so okay
the other
event
Saturday yeah Heritage Day yeah a Samora Mashele driveway ku na swa heritage la so I'm going to be there hi vito la ra Chechis hence you know na mavito yo tala ende vanhu va stay with mina yes
emavideo
Chechisa Vincent the Worshipper yeah matele
ene na rivala Vincent the Worshipper
yeah Vincent the Worshipper yeah so matele so mara sweswi ka ti-event interessango ra Chechisa yeah
okay se mi swi twini a ni ri na Chechisa yexe radio presenter na a business leku wa a va businessman a vulavula business ra yena hi vulavula na talent ya yena the way leswi a nga yi swona then I was so happy ku va ni kha ni tiva ku i sukela kwini like i va malava va n'wi motivate ku va a tikuma a fikelerini laha nga kona so then a ku ri swona swa namuntlha don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel and like our Facebook page peace